Hi guys, I'm back with a daily vlog, or daily, I don't know. I might not do one tomorrow, we'll see. Depends on whatever I do. I just been to the gym and the sun is shining, but it has been pouring down for the past 2 days. So the garden is in horrible condition. Today I'm gonna work on the bathroom and do as much work as possible on the floor. So I want that finished. I've had enough of putting marble down, not really enjoying it. So yeah, that's the plan. Cue the time lapse of me yet again flooring the bathroom. Yes, so this is called prete da letto, which basically means priest in a bed. So it's an old heating system for beds. What you used to do was you put a bucket here with cold or warm ash, and then you put the duvet on top of that, and the heat from the bucket heated up the bed. So it's fairly typical here in Italy to find these in old homes. I had never seen one before moving here. So that's it. Congrats to those of you who guessed correctly, which I guess was no one. Some of you knew, but no one guessed correctly. Anyway, back to it. That's that for the bathroom floor. I will do these bits tomorrow, I guess, because I have to cut them lengthwise. As for the kitchen, this is the status at the moment. The oven is at the service point because the touch display was a bit unresponsive. So I'm gonna have them have a look at it.
Oh, would you look at that?
Put that
just
on.
look at that.
I can't pull it out either. I'd have to drill it.
Would you just look at it?
There's one dog relaxing in the sun. The other one in the shade. As for this, I'm gonna clean up this mess. My hand has been getting better and better the past few days. So I might as well mess it up with some plasterboarding, I guess. So cue the time lapse of me continuing the statement. I think I messed up. I don't want to start in that corner, I want to start in that corner and then work my way that way so that I can have a cut piece here. So I'm going to remove that later. I'll start over here and work my way over there and then remove it and redo that piece. Yeah. Great. Okay, so I've run out of screws that I prefer, which are these ones. I do have these horrible ones, which is basically Technomat's own brand, I think. I'm not going to use them because they're horrible. So yeah, that's it for the plasterboard for now. I'm going to go there anyway a bit later, so I'm going to buy some more screws then, and I will continue, I guess, tomorrow. So yes, that's it for plasterboarding for today. Let's see what I can do. Okay, so they've been digging basically everywhere. Really nice. What a stunning day. Okay, so I'm also gonna go get the connection that's gonna go from the sink to the drain, which basically means I need to buy the tubes, etc. So I'm gonna go do that at the same time. God, it's really warm. I'm gonna call it quits for the building for today. I'm gonna go do errands. Look at them hunting lizards. Yeah, so I'm gonna go buy some things for the bathroom, for the kitchen, and for building I will continue tomorrow, and yeah, I might film something in a bit. We'll see. Okay, so let me tell you how frustrating it is trying to get hold of things in Italy. I looked up online for the mosaic that we want for the bathroom. They had 59 packages according to the computer in this very store. And when I arrive, they have arrived to the computer system, but not to the store, which makes no sense. So I'm not getting anything for the bathroom today, apart from a door, etc., and some other things. So now I have to go to some tile shop somewhere, trying to source whatever I need. See how that goes. Okay, so I've been to another ceramic store, and they had it, but it's on order only. So I have to wait 10 days, which I don't want to do. So I'm gonna keep on hunting. Okay, so that was a bit of a disaster. I didn't get hold of the mosaic tiles. I did get hold of a door. I managed to fit it inside the car, and that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!